Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, Miss.
So this afternoon for maths we'll be
Numeration.
and under numeration we'll be looking at counting and adding. What we'll be looking at?
Counting and adding.
So to do this we'll play a game. Are you excited for the game?
Yes, Miss.
Very good. Brian, you sound very excited, aren't you?
Yes.
Great. So this game is called bowling. As you can see, Miss has some pins here. It's called bowling and counting. What is it called?
Bowling and counting.
Good. So with this game, you will be rolling a ball that Brian has. Brian, please pour the ball. So use the ball, roll it, and try to hit as many of the pins down. You have 2 chances. How many chances?
2 chances.
Good. And to decide who is going to play first, Miss is going to toss a coin, and you will say head or tail. Head means you're going to go first. Tail means the other person is going to go second. Okay?
Yes, Miss.
So now Miss is going to read the rules of the game. Game, as I said, we are using 10 paper pins. What are we using?
10 paper reels.
10 paper pins, and we are using toilet paper rolls. What are we using?
Toilet paper rolls.
Good. So I draw a line there, line from behind the line, and each player has 2 chances. How many?
2 chances.
How many chances, Brian?
2 chances.
Yes. So the first try, you make you try to hit as many pins as possible, right?
Yes, Miss.
So now toss the coin. Brian, you're gonna choose either head or tail. What do you want?
But which one is the one where you go first?
If you say head and it falls on head, you're gonna go first.
Head.
If it doesn't go on head, then Rod is gonna go. Okay? So you say head?
Yep.
So yes, we have head and Brian's gonna go first. So now, Brian, don't do that. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how the game is to be played. Come this way. So I'm gonna do it first, right? So you stand behind the line, right? You hold the ball like this.
Yeah.
And you try to aim. Okay? And you release.
I had aimbot one time. I literally shot.
And I didn't get it. Right? So roll the ball to Brian. Very good. Come and count quickly how many pins you have.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count again, slow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Count. How many you have there?
2.
Good. So Brian, this is your second try. You had how many you had just now? 2. So you have to roll because Rod got 2 as well, right? You gotta roll the ball hard.
I had 4. Yeah.
Roll.
3, 2, 1.
So come. How many you have there?
1, 2, 3.
How many is that?
4.
4. And how many you had before?
4.
So 4 plus 4 is how much?
8.
Good job. So Brian has 8 in all. You have to roll to get as many. Roll the ball. Let's you redo that one.
No.
So roll the ball rather. Count how many you have here.
4.
Count 1.
Count.
So 4 and 1 is how many? 4 plus 1 is how much, Brian?
5.
So rather win or you win?
I win.
How many you got?
8. And she has 5.
Okay. Okay, children, did you enjoy that game?
Yes, miss.
Brian, did you enjoy the game?
Yes!
Because you were there?
I win.
I won. Very good. So how many points did you got?
8.
How many did you got, Radha?
5.
So, Radha shake Brian's hand. Congratulate him on winning the game. Brian, on that hand. Your other hand.
Congratulations, Brian.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. So tell me something you learned from our game this afternoon.
Counting.
What else you learned?
Adding up.
Add it up. Radha, what did you learn from the game?
You get to count and add up.
Very good. Yes. So the game was about counting and adding. So give yourself a clap. Good. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, miss.